To automate Debank wallet address import, you need to start by understanding what Debank is and its purpose. Debank is a cryptocurrency wallet management platform that allows users to track and manage their cryptocurrency assets across multiple wallets and exchanges. The first step to automating Debank wallet address import is to create a Debank account. Go to the Debank website and sign up for an account by providing the required information such as email address and password. After creating an account, you need to obtain an API key from Debank. The API key is used to authenticate and authorize API requests to the Debank platform. To obtain an API key, log into your Debank account and navigate to the settings page. Once you have the API key, you can use it to automate the import of wallet addresses into Debank. This can be done using programming languages such as Python or JavaScript. You will need to use the Debank API to send a request to import the wallet address. The Debank API provides an endpoint for importing wallet addresses, which requires the API key and the wallet address as parameters. You can use a programming library such as requests in Python to send a POST request to the endpoint with the required parameters. For example, you can use the following Python code to import a wallet address into Debank. The code sends a POST request to the Debank API endpoint with the API key and wallet address as parameters. It is essential to handle errors and exceptions that may occur during the import process. You can use try except blocks in Python to catch and handle any exceptions that may be raised during the API request. Best practices for automating Debank wallet address import include using secure and reliable methods for storing and managing API keys, handling errors and exceptions, and testing the automation script thoroughly before deploying it in a production environment. By following these steps and best practices, you can automate the import of wallet addresses into Debank and streamline your cryptocurrency wallet management process.